Telegram login problem on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to make sure that you have solved the issue for Telegram login, what you have to do is just go to the Play Store and make sure that you have the latest version of the Telegram application, because a lot of times Telegram application or any sort of application that are outdated creates hindrances while using the application. So as you can see on the screen that the app has an update available and there are new updates available. So just tap on update and make sure that you have the latest version of the application. Now after getting it updated, tap on the settings of the device and then scroll down and then tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, and you can just scroll down or you can search for the application of the search bar. I'm going to scroll down to the application of Telegram on my device, so just wait until it loads the application list on the screen. So I'm just going to scroll down now and look for the Telegram application on my device, then tap on it. Then as you can see on the screen at the bottom right corner, there's the option of clear data. Tap on that and then tap on clear cache, tap on OK, tap on add permission. Make sure that you have toggled on all the options for the Telegram applications and majorly files and media. After that, go back and tap on the power button and tap on reboot and restart your device, and your problem will be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.